Bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back. So this video will be about the style that was done in this video for the lock reattachment. So basically the style is just a bun. So the idea here is to put all the hair up, but first I section the hair to see what I'm putting up and where I'm putting it up at. So basically I separated her hair into 7 to 8 sections. And once I've separated her hair and I know what I'm going to be doing, you see where the sections are, they're all gonna go up and meet in the middle for the bun. Buns are pretty easy as long as you map out what you're going to do, or if you're just that good, you can freestyle it and it goes. But I like to map it out a little bit just so I know where I'm pulling a lock from. So first thing I do is I barrel twist flat to the scalp. You can't really see it here, which is unfortunate, but you'll see it on the other side what I'm doing, but you can't see it on that side because I'm using a tripod. So basically I'm doing the first twist and barrel here, but you can't really see it because it's on the other side, so I'll show you guys on when I get to the other side. But basically she showed me what she wanted and then she lost the photo. So but I got the gist of what she wanted, so we're gonna go with the gist. And what she wanted, the model in the inspo photo, she had a lot more locks by number or volume, and the whole bun was barrels. But for her, she doesn't have as many locks as the inspo photo, so we have to improvise. So the whole bun will not be barrels. As you'll see here, I'm doing 4 barrels, and then the bun will just be a regular bun, and I'm gonna add the barrels to the bun pretty much. It's a pretty simple style. So here, this is the flat twist I was showing you guys on the side, or the to the scalp, and then I start the barrel. There are other videos on how to do barrels if you guys are not familiar with it. You can search it on YouTube, or if you want me to make one, I will try my best to do so. So I do the flat twist up as well. As you guys can see, oh, her food got delivered. The barrel, I do it up and then I keep going. I combine them when I get to the top because I didn't want 4 twists in the back of her head. I wanted more like 2, but I still wanted it to look, you know, intricate. So we do that, and then after that we go into getting her bun together. And as I told you guys, it's just a regular lock bun, a regular swirl bun. And I'm trying to figure where she wants it right there. And once I figure that out, I start doing the bun. And I always do my little rubber bands thing right there just to keep those loose hairs, or the little hairs that are short and sticking out, to keep them together. So that's a tip you can use for buns. And then I wanted to sew this in for her because she's gonna be going on vacation and it needs to stay put. But I use very small thread, that way it can come out easily and it's not stuck in the locks. And that's it for the style. Thank you guys for watching. Visit our website, follow us on the socials, Instagram, Facebook, and visit our website if you want any more information. See you next video. Stay tuned for more. Bye guys.